Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change the text color on Canva. So the first step is to select your text. Then from here you should see an editing menu at the top. Click on the text color icon. Then you have all sorts of colors you can choose from. So you have your document colors, you have your photo colors, you have your default colors, and you have your own brand colors if you've set up the brand kit for your company. So choose the colors that you want to use. You can use your photo colors very easily. You can also choose to use your own color. So you can enter in the code for your color, or you can use this slider and look for the exact color that you wish to use. So once you've selected a color, you'll notice it being applied to that selected text. Alternatively, if you want to apply the same color to all of your text, then it's fairly simple. Click on your text or any text, go to your color icon, select the color that you want to switch to. Then at the bottom, you should see the option Change All. So click on it and you'll notice every single bit of text has changed and adapted to the color you've just chosen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.